Now let's take a quick look at your markets, starting off with how the JSE has performed today. So of course, actually it was quite interesting seeing the JSE moves today because it looked like it was going to be a good day for the local bourse as it started off the session trading in the green, but the ending has been sour as we are seeing over there. With the all share declining more than 0.5%, the resources 10 complex actually carrying the bulk of those losses. They're nose diving by almost 2.5%. We are seeing even the gold counters that there's big optimism on. Those also participated in the downward slump of the resources today. We do see the financial 15 also declining more than 0.4%, but backing that trend is the industrial 25 with a gain of 0.1%. Let's take a look at what is happening in the U.S. markets, and quite a lot that markets are digesting there, including Donald Trump's nomination for Treasury Secretary. Of course, it is a shortened week for those markets. There is Thanksgiving, but ahead of Thanksgiving on Thursday, we do have more inflation data coming up with the October PCE inflation being released on Wednesday. We are seeing a sea of green on that front, with the S&P 500 being cheered by almost 0.5%, same as the tech-heavy Nasdaq up by almost a similar margin, and again on the Dow are just shy of 1%. Let's take a look at what is happening with the markets across the Atlantic, and a sea of green on that front as well. FTSE 100 up almost 0.5%, CAC 40 with a slight gain of 0.1%, and the DAX climbing more than 0.5%. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency scene, and we start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. The rand looking a little bit good today, better at 18 rand at 2 cents against the US dollar, against the pound at 22 rand 67, and against the euro at 18 rand 93. Let's take a look at what is happening with the other currency pairs, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.05. Pound dollar at 1.25, and the yen just below 154 against the US dollar.